What is up, guys, and welcome back to the DaGMLowLife channel. This vlog today, we're getting ready to throw on the door panels on the OBS Tahoe. Remember, once again, they were custom made a while back, and we're just getting ready to throw them on. So what's going to be going down today is there's little plastics in the truck that we need to paint in order to match the same color as the leather. So we picked up our paint, and right now we're prepping some of these plastics to paint them up and get it ready to throw everything in back at one time. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so right here, these things are basically where the handles go in the truck, right? So they're gray. Of course, we need that yellow, that tannish color from the door panel. We're cleaning them up with some degreaser to get rid of all the oils and chemicals so we can spray them up. And for those of you that don't know, this is basically what we're talking about, where the handle's going, which this is the handle right here. As you can see it, they are a little bit dirty, but we took them all apart to get the best paint, the best finish that we can. And this is the color that we're going to be painting them. This is the custom door panel. This is that yellow, that tannish color, real nice. So we're getting ready to spray them up. Right now I'll show you all the process. Alright guys, so what is up? So if you have been keeping up with us from the beginning of this vlog, I had said that we were getting ready to install everything back in the OBS Tahoe. And right now we're finishing up just painting the last plastics that we have. Right now I'm going to show you all this little detail that we're painting on the door panel to finish it off. Alright guys, this is the OBS door panel, and y'all have seen it already before. It looks real clean, real nice. All these little cutouts are where things are going to go right. So what we're painting right now is this little trim right here, which is gray. So we're taping it up real close and real nice so we can tape that up. And let me show you the other pieces that we've already painted and are ready to get installed. Alright guys, these are pieces right here for the switches and the lock. You can already see them. And those are as well painted. As well, we went ahead and painted this one right here, which is for the handle. These are things that you can't wrap, you can't get in there because it's too tight. So we're going ahead and we're painting them. But yeah guys, these are just little details. Like I was saying, you know, we're trying to get this gray piece painted as best as we can, just to finish it off. Of course, we could leave it like that, but we're going the extra mile just before we throw everything in, so it could look real clean. Alright guys, so we're already putting back the door panels. Here you can see the little stuff that I was talking about that we painted. Right here, this little trim piece. And also to give it the little detail, we painted inside and even right there. So y'all check that out, it looks pretty nice. There's the door panel. We're gonna mock up everything as of right now. You can see the interior, some of the plastics are still missing, but we have them over there, they're not wrapped. And this is the front door panel, same thing. Y'all check that out. There it is. And here it is. Here's the OBS Tahoe. So hopefully here soon we take it to a show here in town or out of town. But y'all stay tuned for it. It's gonna look real clean. And one more thing that we are waiting on, guys, that is our almost supposed to right now, is the steering wheel cover. So it used to be wrapped in suede because we got a little suede piece right here on the seat and on the console. But this time what we did is gonna be a piece of suede and a piece of the leather, so it's gonna look real nice. And it also has this little white strip, guys. So this little white strip is a full-on LED. You can see it over there that is turning on. Let's go check it out. This is how it looks. Of course, right now it's during the day and it's bright, so you could just imagine at night how it's gonna look. But all this stuff comes into play when you have to give that extra detail, you know, once we go to the shows, so they won't say that anything is missing.
Historia pasada. Ese cuadro muy mentado, no crean que se me ha olvidado. El pariente me decía que para lo que bacho. Pick the grip on the paint, real wet like a lake. I buy some straight place down 288. The orange sun kiss and the syrup in my piss. The white part purple and I mix it with the trees. I never on the sticks and the Glocks come
Alright guys, so here it is. Big shout out to JM Installs, my brother. Y'all can follow him on Instagram. So the front door has a 1.8, we got 2 tweeters and 2 6.5. You can see that little LED strip that we were talking about right here lit up right now at night. And all the little details that we painted. Right here we got that little trim piece, you know, all the little stuff that goes into play when we're doing all this stuff. Basically this interior is finished as of right now. We got the custom dashboard fully upholsterized. You got all the nice stitching. You know, some of these little things that you can't wrap as well painted. Right there, some of those little things. Overall, we got the center console. This center console is actually from the Escalade, the OBS Escalade. Also the seats, we shaved off the headrest with the custom stitching. We got some suede running, just like on the door panel to match it. We got these floor mats also that are suede. Well, check it out. Overall, it's coming along real nice. The headliner, everything. Like I said, we are missing some stuff like the steering wheel cover and some of the switches in the back. But overall, that shit came out super sick. It looks super nice. Y'all let me know in the comments down below what y'all think.
Watch me crowd there, man, I do it so great. Fall up in the CBS, bust a script for an ace. Smith the grip on the paint, real wet like a lake. I bind some scrape plates down 288. The orange sun kiss and the syrup in my piss. The white heart purple and I mix it with the trees. I never been a red, now we don't fuck with snitches. 30s on the sticks and the Glocks come with switches. All about my snaps, man.
Alright guys, so I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. This 99 OBS Tahoe has been coming a long way, and finally we're basically finished with the interior. Like I said, we are missing some plastic pieces, but it's nothing crazy. Hopefully here soon, 2024 show season, y'all get to see this truck, you know, out there. So we can't wait. It's your boy, the DaGMLowLife. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below, guys, what y'all think, how they came out. Let us know, and we can't wait to give you guys a demo, because remember, once again, we got the 318 Sundown Nexus. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be posting a clip of how it sounds here soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. Peace.
Just put a 4 in the poppin' and feel back.